If you're considering a chemical gasket maker for your gasket replacement, you're on the right track. They're tougher than cut gaskets and really easy to use. As someone who works on his own cars a lot, Permatex gives me the confidence I'm getting the job done right. The new Optimum Easy Disassembly line is the best performance RTV out there. You heard that right. Optimum's new formula is now easy to disassemble and clean up. You're welcome. To remove, just work the gasket loose, then peel away. It's just that easy. No chemicals, no endless scraping, and no busted knuckles. Permatex Optimum comes in black, gray, and red formulas to meet all your gasket needs. And when it comes to performance, Optimum sits at the top of the Permatex gasket maker line. And if you just need to get your vehicle back on the road sooner, the right stuff has you covered. Here's a pro tip. Use Permatex Plastic Safer Scraper instead of a metal scraper to clear away any remaining residue without gouging the surface or your hand. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIYer and want to learn more about the full Permatex gasket maker family, head to permatextraining.com. It's home to training courses such as how to select and apply the right gasket maker, as well as access to training webinars and much more. And is free for anyone. Next time you need a gasket, pick up easy to use and easy to remove Permatex Optimum. For over a century, Permatex has been bringing innovative products to the automotive aftermarket. Made for the professionals, by the professionals.